Welcome everyone to Ziflow Pro, our new mini-series aimed at providing you with deeper insights into our leading creative collaboration platform. On today's episode, we're going to show you how to take advantage of one of our more popular features, Batch Review. Let's go. With Ziflow's industry-exclusive Batch Review, getting feedback on multiple media types has never been easier. When creating a proof, simply add all of the assets that need to be reviewed. These assets can be a combination of static, motion, video, live websites, and more. Once open in the proof viewer, seamlessly navigate between items. As you provide feedback, your comment thread will automatically group your thoughts accordingly. Once you've completed giving feedback, submit one decision for all assets in the batch. Create new versions with the same group of assets, or only those that are necessary. Finally, you can view different versions of the same asset side by side using our comparison mode.